Guys, all the boys just come out. I want to see who's dressed properly right now. Just come out.
मैम यहाँ पे सामने क्या ये मोबाइल किसका है? थोड़ा अंदर लो, वो वाला ब्लैक वाला, ये कुछ थोड़ा मोबाइल अंदर लो।
दिव्या जी यहाँ पे देखिए,
यहाँ पे सामने
दिव्या जी सेंटर।
किसकी बजी भाई? कौन है बजा रहा? अरे हमारा मत मारो यार, हम वैसे भी बदनाम हैं, तुम हो बदनाम कर। मैम यहाँ सामने थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू। मैडम यहाँ पे देखो,
क्लास ब्लॉक से
थैंक यू
थैंक
एवरीवन।
यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Pankaj, please come for a picture. Parima, please come. For men, I'm sure everyone's proud to be associated with.
Yes.
Tell us, how did the journey start? And so many years, it's decades altogether. यहाँ पहुँचने में।
2004 Parul. 2004, it's 2025 right now. 21 years association with more than 15 international title, highest getting ranking in international, highest title. So we made a record all over the world. So I feel very proud, and I think we are the only pageant to run for 21 years, continue, and by God grace will continue more. So I feel very proud that we are doing something for male pageantry, where male pageantry in India is completely dead compared to female. Female still you have an option, but male you have very less options. So I feel proud.
You know, there were days earlier when there used to be supermodels for men, which is, you know,
The era we miss.
yeah,
Yeah, we
yeah,
miss.
absolutely, and you've brought that all back, and all your finalists and your contestants and the winners are doing extremely well. कैसा महसूस होता है पंकज, एक प्लेटफॉर्म देना which is so difficult for male, especially, you know, that genre is not touched.
It's a proud moment, Parul, because we have increased the age limit also now till 40. Married men also can fulfill their dreams. Even a physical challenge or special people can apply for it. So we have a lot of categories. So I feel talent doesn't have age, height or something. It should be given to everyone. So that's what my focus is.
Absolutely. कल फिनाले है,
हाँ
क्या उम्मीदें हैं, क्या expectations
The
हैं?
best one
It's
will
going to be
win.
a grand.
Definitely, the deserving one. It's been 3 months we have been trained. Amit, Vishal, Manav, इसके creative design. So सबने बहुत मेहनत की है और मैम तो अभी कर
मैं
ही
तो
रही
सिर्फ
हैं।
लास्ट में आई हूँ बस, मैं
But still,
just
पूरी-
here for the glam.
और इस बार वेब सीरीज भी हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, अमित ने पूरा डायरेक्ट किया. सो इट्स ऑल देयर हार्ड वर्क व्हिच इज बीन कमिंग अप नाउ.
So that's a lovely team you have. Divya, you know, it's just getting hotter. What would you
I
like to
know,
say?
right? I freaking know that, right? I know. It's just मैंने सोचा मिस्टर रूबरू मिस्टर इंडिया हो रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी थोड़े अपने मिस इंडिया वाले क्वालिटीज़ मेरे पुरा दे दूँ. So I really worked out really hard to look this, and I'm actually glad. I wanted to share one thing about Pankaj. I really met him, and इन्होंने मुझे invite दिया बड़े प्यार से बहुत प्यार सा hamper बना के भेजा. And then I asked him, like, why do you do this? Is it important? I mean, because I know the kind of money that goes in, I know the kind of effort that goes in. And his simple answer was कि यार लड़कों के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे country में जहाँ पे they can, you know, represent themselves, show their talent, show their skills on ramp. So I think this is a very good cause. That is the only reason why I'm here, and obviously it's also Amit Khanna. You'll always see me tailing around him. So I think there's so much energy of talent and so much energy of goodwill that you want to work for this again and again. I think बहुत लोगों की दुआएं हैं. 21st edition है. You know, we'll do more and more editions.
Divya, I'm sure आपने कुछ tips तो दिए होंगे.
अभी तक नहीं. I've just met them today and I'm quite impressed with the kind of selection these guys have pulled it off. And I am going to give them some tips, yes, for sure.
And how excited are you for tomorrow? tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'm
31st
pretty
is a
excited because I think this one would be the first ever male pageant where I'll be a part of it, and it's always fun to see a male pageant. No, हम तो देखते रहते हैं लड़कियों का pageant. This would be something unique and nice.
And the solo glamour part that we have is the Jagger.
Of course, that is unbeatable, undeniable.
Amit, what a great veteran that you are. You've been through the journey. आप क्या कहेंगे? How has it been for you through this 21st Ruburu Mr. India?
Well, honestly, it's been an amazing experience. I think this is my 6th year with Ruburu, and I've had an amazing experience with Pankaj, Manav, Vishal, whoever has been with us together. And I think as a team, we've really managed to bring a platform for the upcoming male talent in India. And I think all of us are so proud of them because they have made India proud internationally and globally as well. So I'm just a very small part of Pankaj's vision, which he looks forward to bring forth in our country. And I'm extremely happy and honored to support in whatever way I can.
What would you like to add?
Nothing much, but all the best for everyone. Let's rock it out.
I think it's all his creative.
Yeah,
Creativity
I
is like
think it's all about
Vishal.
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 So
Actually, all his collections are
Pankaj has
amazing.
been really talking
Yeah.
about you. Please tell us your journey with Pankaj and on Ruburu.
My experience has been, it's been a family. We're like a teamwork here. So, I mean, they've always supported me, always been there for me. And I mean, when we work together, we bring magic to the screen. That's what I think.
And we're
it's,
looking forward to that
Yeah.
magic tomorrow.
Oh, yeah,
Of
grand
course.
finale.
That's
amazing
amazing.
collection.
Yeah, absolutely. Any questions?
31st May grand finale, Ruburu Mr. India. You all are invited. Thank you so much and wishing all the best to all our contestants.
दिव्या जी आप भी रैंप से उतरने वाले हो
हाँ?
रैंप पर चलने वाले हो आप
मैं पता मन करेगा कर लेगा
क्या तैयारी चल रहा है आपका
तैयारी
Surprise
तैयारी तो
है।
देखो इट्स देयर डे ऑनेस्टली जो लड़कों का दिन है हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स का दिन है बट वैसे तो आपको मैं मिलती रहती हूँ ऐसे रैम्प्स में हर जगह तो कल इनका दिन है कल मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाली कल आई एम गोना एंजॉय एज अ स्पेक्टेटर
थैंक यू
थैंक यू
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग गाइस